don't do it very often, but it is so fun.
Yeah.
And the one thing that that is phenomenal there are the breads. So there's a place called Croissants Alfredo. Chocolate croissants are these big, buttery, beautiful, and just full of chocolate. Just breaking at the seams of chocolate. Alfredo.
Alfredo?
Yes, croissants Alfredo. There are a lot of them. Highly recommend. That doesn't sound like it. It sounds like your Spanish is killer.
I don't like when I go to
They'll do that. They'll do that. Yeah, that's kind of.
because I speak Spanish in Los Angeles and then I come to a country like this.
Just assume you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always a bitch too, and when they continue to speak to you in English, even when you say it, even when you go back to them in Spanish,
they keep doing
going
it.
in English.
I'm like, don't you get it?
Don't you get it? I'm in your country right now.
Yeah. But is the lake kind of nice or no?
It's okay. It's okay.
So it's not like, like.
No, I mean it's pretty. It's big.
But not really good scenery.
I would. With that much time, you just go to Tequila because that's fine. Because once you start driving out of the city, you start hitting the hills. You start seeing all of the hills just turn into this teal color. It's beautiful.
Do you check your text on the Instagram page? Are you in charge of that page? Or no?
I keep
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the
if I have
seatbelt
any,
sign is
like,
turned
if
on,
questions, I'm gonna give my
and
phone
keep
number.
the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones.
1598.
When you open the overhead compartment, be careful,
Yep.
as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Por favor, permanezca sentado con su cinturón de seguridad abrochado hasta que la señal del cinturón